In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate and manage your deals in Zoho CRM using Chrome. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help you efficiently handle your sales pipeline. Let's start by logging into your Zoho CRM account using the Chrome browser. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and enter them promptly to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the primary navigation panel on the left. Here, you'll want to locate and click on either Deals or Potentials. This is essentially the core area where you'll manage all your sales processes in the CRM. With your deals open, you'll notice they're displayed in either Kanban or list view. If you're unfamiliar with these views, Kanban presents your deals as cards that can be easily moved across different stages, allowing for a more visual and intuitive experience. Alternatively, the list view displays your deals in a tabular format, which can be easier for those who prefer a more conventional spreadsheet-like setup. Feel free to toggle between these views and find the one that best suits your style. From here, updating the status of your deals becomes a breeze. If you're in Kanban view, you can simply drag and drop a deal from one stage to another, reflecting its progress in your sales pipeline in real time. This direct manipulation makes it incredibly easy to manage your deals dynamically. If you're in list view, you might prefer to use checkboxes or quick edit options to update statuses. Now, keeping track of every detail is crucial for successful deal management. Zoho CRM allows you to add notes, tasks, or follow-ups directly to any of your deals. By clicking on a specific deal, you can input detailed notes that might include client preferences, special conditions, or any important dates. Setting tasks and follow-ups ensures you're reminded of what needs to be done and keeps your workflow organized and accountable. To streamline your workflow and focus only on the most relevant deals, make use of Zoho CRM's robust filtering options. Filters allow you to narrow down deals based on criteria such as closing date, stage, or deal owner, making it simple to target specific segments of your pipeline. By applying the right filters, you'll enhance your efficiency and effectiveness in managing deals. Lastly, generating pipeline reports is a pivotal step for analyzing your sales processes. Zoho provides various reporting options that enable you to gain insights into deal performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Once generated, these reports will serve as valuable tools for